Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. I have for you today two coins from Monaco. This first one that you see here is a silver coin. It has a value. It is a what can you call it? It's a souvenir coin. It has Europa on the back here, along with a very stylized design. And I think you might have all the countries of Europe and where they are, and you have an arrow going through to their specific country emblems. And on the reverse, or on the other side, we have I think it's called the Hereback, and it's a 2007 coin, and this is a medallion, and it shows the representation of the 2007 coin here at the bottom that shows Princess Grace's, the anniversary of Princess Grace's death. I think this is the Palace of Monaco in the background, although I'm not 100% sure. This coin was minted in Germany. It's a 40mm coin, and it has a €2 no, it doesn't even have that. I thought it had a €2 valuation, or a value of €2, but it doesn't. It's just a straightforward souvenir medal to celebrate, I believe it is 25 years of her death. So that's the first one. The second coin is actually a €2 coin. It's in the capsule. I'm finding it very difficult to open the capsule, so it'll have to stay as this at the moment. And the coin that I've just shown you is this one. This is the 2007 €2 coin. Around the outside of it, you've got the 12 European stars on the outer ring of the European Union. The coin itself is by R.B. Barron, who's an artist, and it was minted in Paris. The mintage is 20,001, and the anniversary celebrated was that Grace Kelly herself was born on the 12th of November 1929, and she died on the 14th of September 1982 in a car crash. Her daughter Stephanie was with her at that time. This coin was minted in 2007, which was 25 years later, and it's the silver anniversary of her death. It shows a portrait of Princess Grace, and on the back you have the normal €2 European map. So, the mintage of the medallion, I forgot to say, was 9,999. The mintage of this €2 coin is 20,001. This coin is a very sought after coin amongst collectors of the €2 commemorative coins. What do you think of these coins? Do you like them? Would you have either of them in your collection? Tell me in the comments down below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so and you believe I deserve it, if you subscribe to the channel, I'll be very grateful. I am still looking to expand my subscription level on my channel, and your help will be greatly received. Right, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins. I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you want to watch. There will be occasions where I do more than 4 a week, but it's not going to be on that much of a regular basis that I want to say I'm doing more than 4 videos a week. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, even better. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.